This is a very serious situation. This is a real live tornado. We saw debris flying. It's heading into Lake Mary, going right down Lake Mary Boulevard.
I was watching the news in my office, saw that the tornado had touched down and there was debris being scattered on I-4, and I know that our roads are on that side of I-4, so I started heading in that direction.
When we did get on scene, it looked like total chaos. Trees down, houses damaged. It was pretty rough.
For those who lived there and lived through it, the destruction was overwhelming.
Back this way was completely demolished. Minutes of just absolute destruction, and you could not wrap your head around what all happened in this area.
But Seminole County was there, on scene immediately in the chaos. The fire department, sheriff's office, emergency management, and roads and stormwater clearing debris immediately.
Seminole County really truly came and they lifted everything off of our property. They took it away, and I joke with my husband that, you know, they were the good guys. They were the ones that came in and they were like our heroes. They just took care of everything for us.
The debris took weeks to clear, and the neighborhood is still not the same, with roofing projects and rebuilds underway even now. But for the crews who returned every day in the aftermath to clear the way, it's a job they were only too happy to do.
I've been doing this job for 20 years, and I enjoy helping people. They appreciate us, you know, when we come in and you know, make the situation a little better, a little easier.
There was never a no. It was always, we'll be back, you're okay, we've got you taken care of, and it was just peace during a very tumultuous and crazy time for us.